Hello and welcome to this video on 10-figure life. When and how Baby Doge will break out and take off in the future. Let's talk. Baby Doge monthly technical analysis for December 2021. Baby Doge has been bearish over the past month. Initially, the price dropped by roughly 47%. After then, the price began to correct, but was unable to break through the downtrend's upper line. After that, the price decreased by another 52%. Nonetheless, the price is presently heading upward again after reaching support at $0.0000000017, indicating that the buyers have retaken control. Predictions of prices December 2021. Baby Doge. Based on this technical analysis of Baby Dogecoin, we believe its price will continue to rise in the near future as the recent price trend and our indicators imply. Baby Doge may be able to break through resistance at $0.0000000026 and continue its upward trajectory. We could see Baby Doge hit a new all-time high this month if the trend goes upward and BTC's momentum continues. Baby Doge's latest news affecting price. The forthcoming NFTs that Baby Dogecoin is developing have recently teased its community. The rising popularity of NFTs could have a significant impact on the price of Baby Doge in the upcoming weeks. As a prank ridiculing the Bitcoin frenzy, a new cryptocurrency named Dogecoin was launched in 2013. Despite this, Dogecoin has grown in value to become a fairly lucrative cryptocurrency. An unknown creator began creating the Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin's canine mascot, in August of last year, parodying the first joke. Like no other cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu has had a big impact on the speculative digital asset markets. Both meme coins are inspired by Shiba Inu dogs and are now in the top 10 by market valuation. Floki Inu, Doge Token, Kishu Inu, Dogelon Mars, and more than 20 additional dog-themed coins were created as a result. Elon Musk's new favorite cryptocurrency, Baby Dogecoin, is yet another charming and fun dog-themed digital money. Many fans characterize it as Dogecoin's son trying to please his father with faster transaction speeds and cuteness. To recap, we'll present our Baby Doge price prediction as well as a guidance on how to purchase this cryptocurrency. Keep an eye out. He is hyper-deflationary with an integrated smart staking system built in to reward you, according to the Baby Doge website. So extra Baby Doge coins are automatically added to your wallet each transaction. All you have to do is love, pet, and watch your Baby Doge develop. Marketing initiatives and charitable activities have also been used by the corporation to increase popularity. For example, the Baby Doge community has donated more than $100,000 to the Metro Atlanta Animal Shelter to help save dogs. With donations, the organization also assisted Fur Kids Animal Rescue and shelters in purchasing a new van for its transfer program. On the van, you can see the Baby Doge emblem and website. Baby Dogecoin has a market capitalization of $898 million and is ranked 2,735th on CoinMarketCap at the time of writing. Baby Dogecoin's supply has been tentatively set at 420 billion Baby Doge coins. Here are some of Baby Doge's features. Baby Doge is a truly decentralized cryptocurrency that is supported by its happy, enthusiastic community. Instant rewards. For each transaction, buy or sell, on the Baby Doge network, 5% of the amount is distributed to existing holders, or hodlers. That means simply keeping Baby Doge in your wallet earns you extra Baby Doge dollars. Observe how your Baby Doge grows from day to day. The order book is entirely liquid, hence the LP is locked. Liquidity contributions account for 5% of transaction fees. It lowers price volatility and gradually boosts the floor price. Baby Dogecoin is a deflationary cryptocurrency that aims to become more scarce over time. As long as they retain their coins in their wallets, which are automatically provided to them by the software, all Dogecoin owners will receive more Baby Doge. Price analysis for Baby Dogecoin. According to CoinMarketCap records, the first reported price of Baby Doge was $0.000000000175 when it initially hit the market in June 2021. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and co-founder of SpaceX, tweeted about Baby Doge a month later, causing a 180% price increase. Baby Dogecoin hit an all-time high of $0.00000002 on July 4th. Since then, though, the value of Baby Dogecoin has dropped by more than 40%. Market prediction for Baby Dogecoin. Although Baby Dogecoin is a new cryptocurrency, it has already piqued the interest of many investors. Although there are some negative opinions regarding this coin, statistics show that Baby Doge will survive in the long run. Price of a digital coin. Dogecoin Baby's price will rise in the short and long term, according to Digital Coin Price, a website that employs mathematical algorithms to anticipate the future of cryptocurrencies. Of course, their algorithm determines the accuracy of their prediction. According to their Baby Dogecoin price forecast, the token will end the year 2022 selling at $0.00000056. Baby Doge is expected to reach $0.0000000141 in 2028, according to the Digital Coin Price projection. Baby Dogecoin price prediction by Crypto Academy. Based on our research of the Baby Dogecoin market and events, we at Crypto Academy have created a price prediction. We believe the fledgling token has a promising future. Price prediction for Baby Dogecoin in 2022. Given Baby Doge's outstanding year in 2021, he has a bright future ahead of him. As previously said, this token has a large number of potential future projects, as well as strong community support. The value of the team's cryptocurrency is likely to soar if they achieve these goals. By the year 2022, we estimate that this cryptocurrency token will be worth around $0.00000002. Furthermore, by March 2022, our price projection predicts Baby Dogecoin having a potential market value of $0.00000003. Before the end of the year, we estimate its price to grow to $0.00000006. Although this token's price has the ability to rise even higher, its limited quantity makes this difficult. Price prediction for Baby Dogecoin in 2023. After nearly 9 months of fluctuating between $0.00000005 and $0.00000006, we expect Baby Dogecoin to begin increasing in September 2023. On the plus side, on an optimistic note, this coin may achieve a yearly high of $0.00000010 in December 2023. This is only true if the media does not report any unfavorable speculative news regarding Baby Dogecoin. Price prediction for Baby Dogecoin in 2024. The Bitcoin mining incentive is halved every 4 years. This once-in-a-lifetime event happened in 2020 and will happen again in 2024. The Bitcoin halving is the halving of Bitcoin miner rewards. Bitcoin inflation is also cut in half as a result of this. Furthermore, anytime this unique event occurs, it is believed to have a positive impact on the entire cryptocurrency market, resulting in a bull run. Our Baby Dogecoin price forecast for 2024 is extremely optimistic. However, the bearish market will not last long, and after a month, a bullish rally will take over. With a price of $0.0000000015, we expect Baby Dogecoin to reach a new all-time high in December. Price prediction for Baby Dogecoin in 2025. Following the positive influence of the Bitcoin halving event on the global cryptocurrency market, we expect 2025 to be a terrific year for cryptocurrencies. From huge firms to small businesses, cryptocurrencies and tokens are already being used by a wide range of industries. In 2025, we predict cryptocurrencies and tokens to increase at an exponential rate. In the medium term, Dogecoin Baby is expected to retain its upward trend and a bull market through early 2025. It's likely that the token may break new ground once more, setting a new all-time high of $0.00000016 after breaking through the $0.00000015 resistance level. However, we anticipate that by the second quarter of 2025, Baby Dogecoin will have plummeted to as low as $0.00000008 per coin. Baby Dogecoin will begin to rebound as we approach the end of 2025, according to our forecast. Furthermore, we anticipate this coin's trading value to be $0.00000015 at the end of the year. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more.